Actualmente.
Does not mean actually. It means currently.
Carpeta.
Does not mean carpet. It means folder.
Embarazada.
Does not mean embarrassed. It means pregnant.
Fábrica.
Does not mean fabric. It means factory.
Librería.
Does not mean library. It means bookstore.
Sensible.
Does not mean sensible. It means sensitive.
Sopa.
Does not mean soap. It means soup.
Ropa.
Does not mean rope. It means clothing.
Molestar.
Does not mean to molest. It means to annoy.
Pie.
Does not mean pie. It means foot.
Éxito.
Does not mean exit. It means success.
Largo.
Does not mean large. It means long.
Actual.
Does not mean actual. It means current.
Papa.
Does not mean papa. It means potato.
Firma.
Does not mean firm. It means signature.
Asistir.
Does not mean to assist. It means to attend.
Arena.
Does not mean arena. It means sand.
Pizarro.
Does not mean bizarre. It means brave.
Recordar.
Does not mean to record. It means to remember.
Realizar.
Does not mean to realize. It means to carry out.
Real.
Does not mean real. It means royal.
Atender.
Does not mean to attend. It means to help.
Compromiso.
Does not mean compromise. It means commitment.
Paréntesis.
Does not mean parenthesis. It means bracket.
Gracioso.
Does not mean gracious. It means amusing.
Constipado.
Does not mean constipated. It means having a cold.
Constipación.
Does not mean constipation. It means a cold.
Desgracia.
Does not mean disgrace. It means misfortune.
Simpatía.
Does not mean sympathy. It means friendliness.
Falta.
Does not mean felt. It means lack.
Contestar.
Does not mean to contest. It means to answer.
Mole.
Does not mean mole. It means sauce.
Sano.
Does not mean sane. It means healthy.
Aviso.
Does not mean advice. It means notice.
Decepción.
Does not mean deception. It means disappointment.
Agenda.
Does not mean agenda. It means schedule.
Codo.
Does not mean code. It means elbow.
Suceso.
Does not mean success. It means event.
Excitar.
Does not mean to excite. It means to stimulate.
Sensato.
Does not mean sensitive. It means sensible.
Parentesco.
Does not mean parenting. It means kinship.
Mayor.
Does not mean mayor. It means older.
Actualización.
Does not mean actualization. It means update.
Ocupado.
Does not mean occupied. It means busy.
Disgusto.
Does not mean disgust. It means upset.
Boda.
Does not mean bowed. It means wedding.
Chocar.
Does not mean to choke. It means to collide.
Enviar.
Does not mean to envy. It means to send.
Introducir.
Does not mean to introduce. It means to insert.
Rapista.
Does not mean rapist. It means barber.